Welcome to NYC Now, your source for local news in and around New York City from WNYC. Here's the morning headlines from Michael Hill.
New York Attorney General Letitia James says the top federal prosecutor in Albany does not have the authority to investigate her. WNYC's Jimmy Vielkine reports.
Court documents show John Sarcone personally requested subpoenas be served on James as part of an investigation into selective prosecution. Federal prosecutors say they think James unfairly targeted President Trump in a 2022 fraud case. But Sarcone's status is in question. The former Trump election lawyer hasn't been confirmed by the U.S. Senate. He was instead appointed to an interim run, but judges in northern New York declined to permanently install him. Lawyers for James say Sarcone isn't properly in office and the subpoenas should be squashed. Sarcone's office says he has all the authority he needs and that a grand jury authorized the subpoenas. A federal judge in Manhattan is considering the case.
Citi Field will become home to an inter-Caribbean baseball game tomorrow. WNYC's Amanda Rosone has more.
Dominican and Puerto Rican All-Stars will play in this Winter League showcase. It's the first time professional Winter League players from both islands compete under their league banners in the U.S. Robinson Cano, who played for both the Yankees and the Mets, will play for the Dominican All-Stars. It's supposed to be his last professional game on American soil, so every player on Team DR will honor him by wearing his number 24 jersey. Puerto Rican baseball legends and former Mets All-Star Carlos Delgado will join the Puerto Rican All-Stars as a coach. Game time is at 1.
There'll be a block party at 10:30 tomorrow morning at Citi Field to kick off the day. New York State and city agencies are counting on the appliance maker Copper to bring electric stoves to New York City public housing. Copper will develop, pilot, and produce 10,000 new energy-efficient induction stoves for $32 million. The purpose of the program is to develop an electric stove that can run on the standard 120-volt outlet found in older buildings. Here is now our weather forecast. 42 and clear right now, increasing clouds with a high of 49, winds gusting to 21 miles an hour. A low around 38 tonight, and then tomorrow increasing clouds, 51 for a high on Saturday with a calm wind, and then at night rain. High winds and temperatures actually rising to the low 50s. Sunday's forecast, slim chance of early afternoon rain, sunshine, temperature falling to the 40s with strong winds.
Thanks for listening. This is NYC Now from WNYC. Catch us every weekday, 3 times a day, for your top news headlines and occasional deep dives. And subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. More soon.